This is my unboxing video of the Samsung 65-inch Q9F QLED TV, the 2018 version that I got via the Insiders. I'm excited. Let's see what's in here. Through the magic of television, I've already removed the box because it actually does take two people. Let's see what's inside. It's pretty well packaged, it looks. There's a quick setup guide. Nice. The manuals package, which looks like it has the one connect cord and the power cord and everything inside. So that's nice. Get to that a little bit when we get to the setup. Parts of the stand. Looks like there's three pieces, two legs and a cross member. And then the one connect box, which I'm particularly excited about. I really like the idea of being able to connect one wire to the TV and that's it. Have everything else going to the back here, hidden behind in the stereo cabinet. Pretty excited about that, especially. Alright. Some of the styrofoam. Protection for the screen. More pieces on the sides. Like it's about ready to come out, which is going to take two people. So I'll be back when I'm setting it up. Just a quick look at how I have it set up so far. Of course it'll look a little different once it's pushed up against the wall and the rest of the packing material is off, but got it on stand, and especially I love this. One wire to the connect box, and then that goes down the back of the entertainment center with the stand. None of those wires are visible from the front. I've already checked. I love it. That was pretty amazingly simple. You didn't get to see that part, but basically I told it what devices I had connected, which currently are just an Xbox. And it set up everything to be controlled by the remote. Alright, this is just showing the menu options and the interface. Again, I apologize for the blurry video in the initial setup section. I'm not sure what was going on there, but my camera was out of focus with the whole thing. I left it in though just because I wanted to show how quick and easy the setup actually was. It was very fast, very easy. It was done through the app on my phone, and it actually took me longer to decide what name I was going to give the TV and enter it than it did for the setup to actually complete, so that's pretty cool. And this is the menu interface. It's very clean, it's very nice. All the apps that came pre-installed, I have not installed any of these. These are all on the TV already. The Samsung Smart Things app is cool. It shows that the PowerBot robotic vacuum we have is currently charging. So if you have Samsung devices, that's pretty handy. And all of the apps are there. Search, sources. Right now the only thing I have connected is the Xbox. And my DirecTV box is actually on the network, so it shows up here as well, even though we don't have it set up to broadcast, but we can. And to try and demonstrate the picture quality, This is a 4K video from the YouTube channel, which hopefully won't be copyrighted. So it won't be blocked when I try to post this. But yeah, the picture is pretty amazing. It's really, really clear. Good colors. Yeah, not much I can say about it. I don't know how well it's coming across on my camera. But yeah, it's pretty fantastic.